I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too.
This is your girl Victoria and Zelibe. If you are new to my channel, then welcome, and if you're my returning subscriber, hi and welcome to my channel. This is your girl Victoria and Zelibe. You can call me Vicky Baby or Vicky Baby, low K as I like to call myself. And guess what, this is my first official empty luxury house tour. Yeah, do me a favor and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button below, like this video, and of course share. So this house is, as you can see, very luxurious, very beautiful, the aesthetic too. This house is currently still under construction, but don't worry, this is not what I'm showing you. I'm showing you the updated version of this house, okay? But I just want to let you know that you can get houses like this and just lock in the price, because when it's done being built, it is more expensive. So let's start this house tour. So once you come into this house, as you can see, this is the upgraded version. The whole house is done, it's beautiful. But once you come in, you're exposed to the space, you see the space, you see the colors, you know, everything is well placed, well organized, the wooden floor, everything. And it's a high ceiling too. You can, you know, customize, change certain things. For instance, you can remove that fan and put the chandelier, whatever you want to do. And over here is the back here. It's very large. It's a very big space, very green, very naturey, if there's a word like that. But yeah, it's a healthy grass, very big. You can do anything you want here. Put a playground, do whatever, basically. You know, put a pool, whatever. And then back into this house. Let's start with the first room you see when you come into this house. So the first room is this toilet, first of all, this guest bathroom. That's the towel rack, then the mirror with my beautiful self, and the bathtub and toilet. So the next place is our guest room. So this guest room is actually very big, as you can see. I love the windows, guys. It has a beautiful view too, and it has its own closet. Now when you leave our bedroom or guest room, next thing you see is the kitchen. Look at that beautiful marble, the stove, and our microwave, of course. Look at that, so beautiful. Now to my corner, there's no refrigerator yet, because they like you to add your own refrigerator, I mean your own choice of refrigerator. And you know, this is the master's bedroom, so big too. I think you can see the amount of space this one has. And that's the bathtub, stand-up shower, double sink or wash and basin or whatever you like to call it, toilet, and this beautiful closet. Definitely customize it to whatever you want. It's a lot of space. Now from here is the stairs, but we're not going to the stairs first. Let me take you opposite the stairs, which is the garage. That's the garage. So this beautiful space is a 2-car garage. Okay, so you can actually fit in 2 cars here and still have space. Like for instance, if you have a freezer, you can put it here because it's a lot of space. And that's how you open your garage. And the next room is the laundry room. Put your washer and dryer, and it's still a lot of space. You know, use it to do something fancy, guys. And don't put off the lights, do something fancy. So with this house, I'm going to be teaching you guys some tricks, tips, and DIYs, how to decorate your house, what to put, you know, bougie on budget kind of. So when you come up here, there's a large space. You can use this space for either game room, whatever. I just want to show you guys the, you know, high ceiling. You can look up here to downstairs. It's a large space, game room, study, whatever. It has this closet over here that you can still put stuff. And then this toilet, it has this beautiful toilet too. It has 3 rooms here. This is the first room over here, very big space too, as you can see. It has its own closet, that door over there. Another very beautiful room, this room, very gorgeous and spacious as well. It has its own closet. And look at this beautiful, amazing view from up here, guys. Yes, this is the kind of neighborhood you should be living in. This is goals. But yeah, let me take you to the third room. Now this third room is my favorite. Okay, this third room is everything. It's spacious, it's everything, and Nala is already enjoying the view from the third room. You see, my dog speaks for herself. So over here is the closet too. It's so big and spacious, and look at that view too from the closet. Let me open the window. Look at this, guys, it's beautiful. So yeah, this is my first official empty luxury home tour. Like I said, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up so that I know you enjoyed this video and I can strive to give you more videos, okay? Of course, I would like to know what you thought about this house. Comment below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you would like to see more of this video, then let me know in my comment section. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.